You don't need more time. You don't need more motivation. You don't need another video. What you need is to stop lying to yourself. Right now, you know exactly what you're avoiding. The late nights, the wasted hours, the endless scrolling, the promises you made to yourself that you keep breaking. You say you want to change, but your actions look the same every single day. You are comfortable, and that comfort is destroying your future. Every day you delay, someone else is working. Every time you choose ease, you're training yourself to stay average. You wake up with plans, but by the end of the day, nothing changes. And deep down you feel it, that quiet frustration, that voice telling you that you're capable of more. But you're not acting like it. At some point, you have to face the truth. No one is coming to save you. No one is going to fix your habits. No one is responsible for your life, except you. You don't need a perfect plan. You need discipline. You need structure. You need to start doing the things you've been avoiding. Wake up earlier. Move your body. Do the hard task first. Cut the distractions. Finish what you start. It will feel uncomfortable. It will feel unnatural. That's how you know it's working. For the next 30 days, you stop negotiating with yourself. You don't wait until you feel ready. You don't ask for motivation. You act. You build simple rules and you follow them, no matter what. You show up when you're tired. You focus when you're distracted. You keep going when it gets boring. Because discipline is not about intensity. It's about consistency. Day by day, something starts to shift. Your mind gets sharper. Your energy changes. Your confidence builds. You begin to trust yourself again. And then one day you look back and you don't recognize the person you used to be. The one who procrastinated, the one who made excuses, the one who quit too early. That version of you is gone, replaced by someone focused, someone controlled, someone dangerous in the best way possible. But this only happens if you start now, not tomorrow, not next week now, because the truth is simple. In 30 days, you can either stay the same or become someone unrecognizable. The choice is yours.